question I get often and always have in my career is, do I really need to get a home inspection? Or what's the advantage of not doing a home inspection? Well, let me tell you a little story first. Yesterday, one of our buyers made an offer on a house that's only 3 years old. She is paying cash and she decided to make her offer stronger or more compelling to the seller. She made it as is, no home inspection. Now remember, 3-year-old house. This buyer has bought a lot of houses. She did a lot of mechanical, kind of make sure everything was working in the walkthrough, the air conditioning was on. So the answer for most people is you should get a home inspection. But strategically, say on a younger home, maybe a mature buyer, someone that's a little more mechanically inclined, the roof is fairly new, the mechanics are newer. This could be an option for some buyers that are wanting to make their offer more compelling. There is always something that the home inspector will find in a home that can derail a deal. My brother's a home inspector and has been for a long time, and I love my brother, but he finds a lot of things that concern a buyer or a seller that sometimes just aren't super relevant, or some buyers focus on something that's not that important. But hear me, you should get a home inspection most of the time, but there are opportunities at sometimes to go ahead and use that as a negotiating tool where you're coming in and can get a good opportunity by removing that as a contingency. I hope that makes sense. Call me if you want to talk about it, and let me show you also when you call how I'll walk you through exactly how we construct an offer to purchase for our buyers to the sellers. Talk to you soon.